ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms ho pho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka Three Olives Restaurant bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka Jakai le kai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
Kalong ka jinkmen bat ka jinkerku ka bakraw ya ka way na kislam pule bapaw khmat bha temri bhoy ya ka balatip kerteng kum ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School hadian bakalayo da ka Ïing building ka bapaka na ka banta ki samla ki bapule ha ka kerdan Higher Secondary ha ka babaro shikata ki lahap ban shushong ha ki Ïing siet balashna shipor na marga jingwan lunchop jong ki bor kamariang house name arajar arpo Yakani ka Ïing building ka bathamai balashna Lyngba ka SHCD project jong ka sarkar jila bat ya ka balabay pisa da ka Asian Development Bank ha ka jinglot ka ba Klur tam la play pat ba da Dr. Didi Lapang ubalong unong ay buj ubarang ba jong ka sarkar jila bat ubadayru u chairman jong ka ni ka Skul ha ka balasaki lang da MLA jong ka Nongpo constituency uba Meral Bonds AM u MDC jong ka Nongpo uba Balajit Rani ka principal ka kong WK Bla u statistical officer ka tanat pule puthi uba ti shangrang ki principal na ki college bat ki school baper ki nong hikai ki kme ki pa lambat ki khana pule jongani ka school.
It is really a blessing to all of us, and I hope that all these initiatives taken by you, it will remain to each and every villages, to each and every localities, and you will remember it forever. Mahe Dr. Didi Lapang, who has been instrumental in leading from the front to lead our state 5 times as the Chief Minister of our state. During his tenure as the Chief Minister, during his tenure as an education minister, during his tenure at the time when he is holding different portfolio within the state government, he has been contributed so much.
The words of Napoleon, I used to quote everywhere to the young men, because to the young people, when he became a great man, his counterpart was in school, and he said, "You short fellow, when you were in school, you are only 5 feet 1 inch, and you are only or so, and we do make a plastic. You dare to say the word impossible will not be in Australia. Then you will be somewhere, somebody, and Narendra Modi wants to be #1 amongst the world nations. Let us hope that his dream would be translated into reality one day. We have benefited a lot, and we have also seen that India is also recognized by the world from all around. Now, you see, Prime Minister Narendra Modi looked at, created a new reform, changed a new face in India. And he has chosen one of the most important avenue to create the difference in India is through education. Through education. What did he say? When finally to change India's face, he said the new education policy of India is a revolution to reform in all respects for achieving greatness in India. We always talk about greatness of India. How can you see that this man will not shout to the world? His voice is heard by everybody around the world. And they see the Prime Minister wants to see that India shines and India will lead. Before I conclude, I would remind you about the 2 verses from the Bible. Isaiah chapter 49, verse 2 to 3, Psalm 49, verse 10, it says like this, I am the Lord, for they shall be, they shall not be ashamed that wait for me. Be still and know that I am God. Let's see that our God Almighty will bless every home. The poor, the downtrodden, the sick, the animals, and everybody. We walk in fear, where angels fear to tread. We do know where it is tomorrow. They said the second wave of the wave is coming. The second wave of this epidemic is coming. But be there. Don't be afraid. Simply be quiet somewhere in the corner. When you deep down go and look up to God, you'll hear the word will say, be still and know that I am God. Friends, you'll travel to another road. So we travel this New Year today. But we'll go along